Alright, I zeroed out the counter here. We're down in the horizontal part of the line, and we'll transition out to the connection to the street. I have the water flowing in the kitchen right now. So the white stuff you're seeing there is a little bit of grease build up along the side. So this could be a good recommendation for cleaning here. It is causing some pooling there with a little bit of blockage. And the color changed to pink now, so this is more out into the clay material. It was cast iron, so this is indicative of where the city connection would be. See how it dropped a little bit there? So this is where your responsibility as a homeowner would come to an end. If there's anything else here, but we're out about 30 feet, which is about what I would expect for this neighborhood. Some more solids there. Grease that kind of pushed along, so I think we'll go out just a little further and then pull back. Alright, that seems to be the low spot there. Approximately 60 feet. So we'll pull back in from here. But yeah, there was a fair amount of grease buildup in this line. So we'll recommend a cleaning there to prevent any solids from sticking to that grease.